Have you ever wondered if you've been eating eggs all wrong your entire life? Imagine cracking open an egg in the morning, expecting a nutritious start, but instead ending up with a meal that's lost much of its goodness, or worse, could even jeopardize your health. Many seniors rely on eggs as a dietary staple because they're packed with protein, vitamins, and essential nutrients. Yet, what if the way you cook, store, or even season your eggs is undermining these benefits? Research from reputable sources such as the Journal of Food Science and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that simple mistakes, like storing eggs in the refrigerator door, overcooking them, or discarding the yolk, can significantly reduce their nutritional value and affect your overall well-being. Today, we're exposing 8 common mistakes that may be robbing you of the flavor and benefits of this superfood. I'll share actionable tips on how to cook, store, and handle eggs correctly so that every bite counts. If you're ready to transform your breakfast habits and ensure that you're truly getting the most out of your eggs, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps spread reliable, science-backed knowledge that can change lives. Let's dive into the details and learn how to make every egg the best it can be. Number 1. Eating expired or old eggs. Many of us have experienced that unsettling moment when an egg emits a strange odor or has an abnormal consistency upon cracking. It turns out that eggs, like all fresh produce, have a limited shelf life. Studies in the Journal of Food Protection emphasize that consuming eggs past their prime can lead not only to off flavors, but also to a risk of foodborne illnesses, such as salmonella. Instead of relying solely on printed expiration dates, use the time-honored float test to check for freshness. Fill a bowl with cold water and gently place an egg inside. If it sinks and lays flat, it's fresh. If it stands upright or floats, it has deteriorated. By practicing this simple test, you can avoid the health hazards associated with expired eggs and ensure that every egg you consume provides its full complement of nutrients. Number 2. Storing eggs the wrong way. Proper storage is critical to maintaining egg quality. It might seem convenient to store eggs in the refrigerator door, where many fridges have a dedicated compartment. However, this location experiences frequent temperature fluctuations due to constant opening and closing, which can accelerate spoilage. Research in the Journal of Food Quality indicates that eggs stored on the middle or back shelf remain at a more stable, consistent temperature, preserving their freshness and nutrient profile for longer periods. Keeping eggs in their original carton also protects them from absorbing strong odors from other foods and minimizes moisture loss. For optimal freshness, always store eggs in a cool, stable spot in your refrigerator and avoid washing them before storage, as this can strip away their natural protective coating. These careful storage habits ensure that your eggs remain safe, flavorful, and nutrient-rich until you're ready to use them. Number 3. Overcooking. Your eggs are a nutritional treasure, but overcooking them can be counterproductive. Excessive heat not only ruins the delicate texture, making eggs dry, rubbery, and unappetizing, but also destroys key nutrients like vitamin B12 and antioxidants. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry has demonstrated that prolonged cooking significantly reduces the bioavailability of essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, hard-boiled eggs cooked for too long may develop a greenish-gray ring around the yolk, a clear visual sign that overcooking has occurred. This reaction, caused by a chemical interaction between sulfur and iron, not only affects appearance, but also signals a loss of nutritional quality. To maintain both taste and nutritional value, aim for a perfect soft boil, 7 to 9 minutes, and immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath to halt the cooking process. For scrambled eggs, use medium-low heat and remove them from the heat while they are still slightly underdone to let residual warmth finish the job. These simple adjustments help preserve the delicate balance of flavor and nutrition in your eggs. Number 4. Using too much butter or oil. While a little fat can enhance flavor and help prevent sticking, overusing butter or oil when cooking eggs can turn a healthy meal into a calorie-laden dish that undermines its nutritional benefits. A study in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association warns that excessive consumption of saturated fats may contribute to heart health issues over time. 1 tablespoon of butter, for example, can add 100 extra calories and 11 grams of fat, significantly increasing your daily intake if used liberally. Instead, try using non-stick pans that require little to no added fat, or opt for healthier alternatives such as olive oil or avocado oil, which contain beneficial unsaturated fats. By moderating your fat intake, you can enjoy the rich, delicate taste of eggs while keeping your meals light and nutritious. Number 5. Cracking eggs directly into the pan. It may be tempting to crack eggs straight into a hot pan for a quick meal, but this practice can lead to a host of problems, from shell contamination to uneven cooking. When you crack eggs directly into the pan, small pieces of shell can mix in with your food, posing a risk of bacterial contamination and an unpleasant crunch. Furthermore, eggs that start cooking immediately in the pan tend to cook unevenly, resulting in a mix of overcooked edges and undercooked centers. To ensure a uniform texture and safe meal, crack your eggs into a small bowl first. This allows you to check for any shell fragments and gives you the opportunity to whisk the eggs gently, ensuring even distribution of yolks and whites. Whether you're preparing scrambled eggs or an omelette, transferring the mixture from the bowl to the pan provides greater control over the cooking process and ultimately leads to a more consistent, enjoyable dish. Number 6. Not washing your hands after handling raw eggs. Handling raw eggs without proper hygiene can inadvertently spread harmful bacteria throughout your kitchen. Raw eggs, even those that have been washed before reaching stores, can carry pathogens like salmonella. Studies in the Journal of Food Protection highlight that cross-contamination is a significant risk when proper hand washing is neglected. If you handle eggs and then touch utensils, countertops, or other foods, you're potentially transferring bacteria that can lead to foodborne illness. It's essential to wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds immediately after handling raw eggs. Remember to scrub between your fingers, under your nails, and along the backs of your hands. Also, sanitize any surfaces or utensils that come into contact with raw eggs to prevent the spread of bacteria. This simple habit of proper hygiene can make a huge difference in keeping your meals safe and healthy. Number 7. Throwing away the yolk. For many years, egg yolks have been shunned because of their cholesterol content. However, modern research has revealed that dietary cholesterol from eggs has little effect on blood cholesterol levels for most people. In fact, the yolk is the most nutrient-dense part of the egg, offering a wealth of essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Egg yolks are rich in vitamin D, choline, and omega-3 fatty acids, and they contribute to overall brain health, muscle function, and eye health. Discarding the yolk means you're missing out on these powerful nutrients that help keep you strong and vibrant. Instead of avoiding egg yolks entirely, consider a balanced approach. Using one whole egg along with additional egg whites can provide a healthy mix of nutrients while managing calorie intake. Embrace the whole egg for a complete package of benefits, and remember that a balanced diet includes all parts of a nutrient-rich food. Number 8. Not seasoning eggs properly. Seasoning might seem like a small detail, but it can dramatically affect both the flavor and texture of your eggs. Many people either skip seasoning altogether or add too much salt too early in the cooking process. Adding salt to raw eggs can break down the protein structure, leading to watery, unevenly cooked eggs, while excessive seasoning can overpower their natural flavor. The key is to season eggs at the right time, preferably near the end of the cooking process or even after plating. This helps maintain their delicate texture while enhancing their natural taste. Experiment with fresh herbs such as chives, parsley, or basil, and use a light touch of spices like paprika or black pepper. For extra richness, consider a sprinkle of grated cheese, but always aim to keep the seasoning balanced so that it complements rather than masks the egg's natural flavor. Quality over convenience. Choosing better eggs. Beyond the way you handle and cook your eggs, it's crucial to pay attention to the quality of the eggs you buy. Not all eggs are created equal. Eggs from hens raised in high-stress, confined environments often have lower nutritional value and can be less safe. Studies published in the Journal of Food Quality have shown that pasture-raised eggs tend to contain significantly higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and antioxidants compared to conventionally farmed eggs. Look for labels that say pasture-raised or organic, and consider purchasing from local farms where you can be sure of the hen's living conditions and feed quality. Higher quality eggs not only taste better, but also provide more of the nutrients your body needs to stay strong and healthy. Although these eggs may cost a little more, the improved nutrition, flavor, and ethical benefits make them a worthwhile investment in your long-term health. Practical tips for incorporating these changes. To get the most out of your eggs and ensure you're reaping their full benefits, here are a few actionable tips. Check freshness with the float test. Always test your eggs for freshness by placing them in a bowl of cold water. Fresh eggs sink, while older eggs may stand upright or float, indicating spoilage. Store eggs correctly. Keep eggs in their original carton on the middle or back shelf of your refrigerator, not in the door. This minimizes temperature fluctuations and preserves their quality. Mind your cooking time. Aim for gentle cooking methods. Use medium-low heat for scrambled eggs, and boil eggs for no more than 7 to 9 minutes to avoid overcooking. Moderate your fat intake. Use minimal amounts of healthy fats such as olive oil or avocado oil, and opt for non-stick pans to reduce the need for extra butter. Practice proper hygiene. Always wash your hands and sanitize surfaces after handling raw eggs to prevent cross-contamination. Embrace the yolks. Incorporate whole eggs into your diet to benefit from the rich array of nutrients in the yolk, balancing them with egg whites if necessary to manage calorie intake. Season at the right time. Add salt and herbs towards the end of cooking or even after plating to preserve the egg's texture and natural flavor. By following these practices, you'll not only enhance the taste and nutritional value of your eggs, but also safeguard your health with every bite. In summary, eggs are one of the most nutritious and versatile foods available. Yet many of us unknowingly make mistakes that diminish their benefits and may even compromise our health. Today, we've uncovered 8 common mistakes, from eating expired eggs and improper storage, to overcooking, using excessive fats, and neglecting proper hygiene that can drastically reduce the nutrients in your eggs and affect their flavor and safety. We've also explored practical, science-based solutions to ensure you enjoy eggs at their full potential. Testing for freshness, storing them properly, cooking them gently, using minimal but healthy fats, and seasoning at the right time. Furthermore, we discussed the importance of choosing high-quality eggs, ideally pasture-raised, to boost their nutritional value and support your overall well-being. These mindful changes aren't just about improving your breakfast. They're about transforming your entire approach to eating. When you handle, cook, and choose eggs correctly, you invest in your health, energy, and longevity. Every small adjustment, whether it's a few extra seconds spent checking egg freshness or selecting organic, high-quality eggs, adds up to better nutrition and a healthier life. I encourage you to reflect on your egg habits and start making these improvements today. Experiment with different cooking techniques, be mindful of your storage methods, and always prioritize quality over convenience. Your journey toward better health begins with these small, intentional steps, and you're not alone. Many others are embracing these changes and enjoying the benefits of a nutrient-rich diet. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share it with those you care about. Together, we can create a community that values natural, healthy eating and supports one another in the journey to lifelong well-being. Thank you for watching, and here's to enjoying eggs and life the right way every day.